So Rich, can you tell us a little bit about this job you're doing here?
Yeah, this building was first built, I believe, in 1772, and then they had a fire and it burned down, and it was rebuilt. But still a very old meeting house or church. So we were contracted because we do a lot of work here in Old Town for the museums, for the city of Alexandria, and have a really great reputation for doing restoration work and really high quality preparation and painting. So they hired us to do the work. The windows are in really terrible condition, and so we're doing a lot of restoration work and taking out the old glazing and priming, scraping, sanding, priming, and reglazing. It's a very challenging job because the wood is so old, the windows are so old that the mutton bars are damaged or really worn and damaged in places, so we have to kind of recreate them for our glazing compound. So, but it looks beautiful.